Looking for the ideal team member? The challenge isn't just finding them, but effectively onboarding them. With 20% of new hires leaving within 45 days and 50% within 18 months, the cost can reach up to 9 months of their salary. Yikes. Way We Do turns employee onboarding into your strategic advantage. Effective onboarding leads to 82% better retention and 18 times more employee commitment. Imagine what type of positive impact that will have on your revenue growth and customer satisfaction. So don't wing it alone. With Way We Do, equip every newcomer with the procedures, training, and support they need to excel from day one. Transform your employee onboarding for lasting success and shared growth, where every start is the beginning of something spectacular.